much better. I wish we did this 9 years ago when we bought the house. Ew, it doesn't even look like a screw.
I know.
This. What? Oh, what? That's the first time that's ever opened.
So,
Woo!
question is how
Look, dude, it's no door. Hey! My goodness. All right, we got the whole thing out. Concrete down here to level that. And put up a new frame.
That's all. You got 106 and a half. 106 and a half. Hey! Yep.
And now we've got to put up the tape.
$35 is right here. Okay.
Is that exactly the middle?
It's exactly the middle. All right, so let's peel it.
Cut like a V
Yeah.
right in the corner. So go all the way
Otherwise I'll
around this.
Yep.
Okay.
Make it big.
Is he actually going to be able to work for you?
I don't know.
Okay.
All right, so what do you want me to grab?
Just right at the top.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your fingers.
Grab it in the middle here.
Go towards you, Devin, on the bottom.
Yep.
There we go.
There we go. Okay. Left.
Oh,
Man, we must have taken the door.
There we go. Okay, stop.
Took the plumb. Pretty good.
That's good,
It's
actually.
a little bit off.
Better than it was yesterday.
Yeah, it is. It's completely in the lines. Yeah, you light up.
That's great.
Flush.
One of us drill the holes and then just immediately follow with the screws.
Goes right here, right?
The very top one. You have
This is perfectly plumb here.
Sweet.
Yeah, I'm not worried about that.
I say we just do them all. This door is never coming out. High performance.
Yep, 3 more screws.
And I would measure. Okay.
Whatever
Yeah.
those are
Okay.
called.
Yep.
Is there's a right and a wrong way to put this in?
I don't think so. Seems to be just pretty much centered. This goes in to stop it. This,
I think so.
and then slide it up.
Yep.
Well, it should be good.
Down. Like a dream. So easy to open and close. Why didn't we do this forever ago? I wish we did this 9 years ago when we bought the house. Instead of struggling with that busted door.